Okay, so it's just some simple sentences to buy a train ticket. I would like a return ticket to Milan. Vorrei un biglietto di andata e ritorno per Milano. However, if you just want a single ticket, vorrei un biglietto di solo andata per Roma. To find out what time the train leaves. A che ora parte il treno per Roma? To ask what platform it departs from. Da quale binario parte il treno per Roma? Is the train to Rome on time? È in orario il treno per Roma? Do I need to change train? So do you need to get off a train and then hop on another one for a particular destination? Devo cambiare treno? And to ask where the ticket validator is. Dov'è l'obliteratrice? It's important to note that if you buy a ticket but you forget to put it in the obliteratrice, you will be fined. So the obliteratrice is a yellow validator found near the platforms, and you must put your ticket in there before you go on the train. Otherwise, you can use your ticket over and over again because it doesn't have a date on it. Some simple vocab: biglietto, ticket, andata e ritorno, return, solo andata, single, binario, platform, in orario, on time, cambiare, train, obliteratrice, ticket validator.